Gmail is chock full of keyboard shortcuts that can make it far easier to handle your inbox. Watch your email compose screen suddenly appear when you press the letter C on your keyboard, or automatically visit your browser by clicking B plus D. Gmail has dozens of customizable shortcuts that can make your life easier. Subscribe and keep watching. To enable that feature, go to Settings, see all settings, and enable keyboard shortcuts. To see a full list of more Gmail options and shortcuts, including a whole bunch of options grouped by function, hold down Shift plus / and the pane will pop up with the directory of shortcuts. Here are some of my few personal favorite Gmail keyboard shortcuts. So that's how you take advantage of keyboard shortcuts. If you have any questions, comment down below. If this video has helped you, say thanks by hitting the like and subscribe.